5.11 Tactical jackets are the embodiment of innovation and performance in outerwear, designed for law enforcement, military, and outdoor enthusiasts. These jackets offer durability, versatility, and intelligent features. Explore the range for superior protection and comfort, ensuring you're prepared for whatever challenges come your way. I included all the link in video description below. Let's get started. Number 9. 5.11 Valiant Softshell Tactical Jacket. The epitome of performance and style for those who demand the best in tactical outerwear. This jacket is designed to provide versatility and functionality in the field while offering a sleek and professional appearance. Crafted from high-quality softshell material, it offers superior protection against wind, rain, and cold, ensuring comfort in all weather conditions. The Valiant softshell features hidden document pockets, zippered hand warmer pockets, and a removable hood, making it a perfect choice for law enforcement, first responders, and outdoor enthusiasts. Its articulated sleeves and adjustable cuffs provide a tailored fit, allowing for unrestricted movement during dynamic operations. Elevate your tactical gear with the 5.11 Valiant Softshell Tactical Jacket and experience the perfect blend of performance and style for your mission or adventure. Number 8. 5.11 Sabre 2.0 Tactical Jacket. The pinnacle of performance and innovation in tactical outerwear. Engineered to meet the demands of the most challenging missions, this jacket is a game-changer for law enforcement, military personnel, and outdoor enthusiasts. Crafted with cutting-edge technology, it features a waterproof and breathable outer shell, providing unmatched protection against harsh weather conditions. The Sabre 2.0 boasts a host of tactical features, including numerous pockets for gear storage, reinforced shoulders for durability, and a roll-up hood for adaptability. Its articulated sleeves and adjustable cuffs ensure a comfortable fit and freedom of movement during high-intensity operations. With a design that combines functionality, comfort, and durability, the 5.11 Sabre 2.0 Tactical Jacket sets a new standard in tactical outerwear, making it the ultimate choice for professionals and adventurers alike. Elevate your gear with the Sabre 2.0 and conquer any mission or outdoor challenge with confidence and style. Number 7. 5.11 Sierra Softshell Tactical Jacket. The perfect blend of performance and comfort for tactical professionals and outdoor enthusiasts. Designed to excel in a variety of conditions, this jacket combines rugged durability with functional features. Crafted from high-quality softshell material, it offers superior protection against wind and rain while ensuring breathability for all-day wear. The Sierra Softshell boasts a hidden chest pocket, zippered hand warmer pockets, and a removable hood for added convenience. Its articulated sleeves and adjustable cuffs provide a tailored fit, allowing for unrestricted movement during demanding operations or outdoor adventures. Number 6. 5.11 Tactical Water-Resistant Trekking Outdoor Covert Conceal Vest. The ultimate outdoor companion for those who demand versatility and adaptability in their gear. This covered vest is designed for adventurers, hikers, and anyone who values both utility and style. Crafted from water-resistant material, it offers protection against the elements while remaining lightweight and comfortable. With multiple hidden pockets and a low-profile design, it seamlessly blends into urban and outdoor environments. The covered concealed vest provides discreet storage for your essentials, whether you're navigating the wilderness or exploring the city. Its ergonomic fit and adjustable features ensure optimal comfort and mobility. Number 5. 5.11 Chamelon Soft Shell Jacket. A true embodiment of versatility and performance in tactical outerwear. Designed to excel in a range of environments, this jacket is a go-to choice for law enforcement, first responders, and outdoor enthusiasts alike. Crafted from a durable and water-resistant softshell material, it provides protection against the elements while allowing for breathability and mobility. The chamelon features a concealed chest pocket, zippered hand warmer pockets, and a roll-up hood, making it a practical choice for various scenarios. Its articulated sleeves and adjustable cuffs ensure a comfortable fit and unrestricted movement during dynamic operations. Elevate your tactical gear with the 5.11 Chamelon softshell jacket and experience the perfect balance of functionality and style for your mission or adventure, no matter where it takes you. Number 4. 5.11 Taclite M65 Tactical Jacket. A fusion of classic military-inspired design and modern innovation, ideal for tactical professionals and outdoor enthusiasts. This jacket pays homage to the iconic M65 field jacket while enhancing it with 5.11's cutting-edge technology. Crafted from the rugged yet lightweight taclite fabric, it offers durability and comfort in a variety of conditions. The M65 features a plethora of tactical pockets, including hidden document pockets and large bellowed cargo pockets, ensuring you have ample storage for your gear. Its removable hood, adjustable cuffs, and bi-swing shoulders provide a customizable fit and unhindered mobility during missions or outdoor pursuits. Elevate your tactical gear with the 5.11 Taclite M65 Tactical Jacket and experience a harmonious blend of functionality and style, making it a trusted companion for every adventure or mission, on or off duty. Number 3. 5.11 5-in-1 Jacket. The epitome of adaptability and performance in tactical outerwear. This versatile jacket is designed for professionals who require top-notch gear that can seamlessly adapt to changing conditions. Crafted from high-quality materials, it offers both durability and comfort. The 5-in-1 jacket is aptly named for its 5 distinct configurations, allowing you to customize your warmth and protection levels. Whether you need a lightweight windbreaker, a fleece-lined jacket, or a fully insulated cold-weather coat, this jacket has you covered. With features like hidden document pockets, removable lid panels, and a detachable hood, it's engineered for practicality in the field. Elevate your tactical gear with the 5.11 5-in-1 jacket and experience unmatched versatility, performance, and adaptability for every mission or outdoor adventure. Number 2. 5.11 Insulator Jacket. The perfect blend of warmth and versatility for tactical professionals and outdoor enthusiasts. Designed to excel in cold weather conditions, this jacket offers exceptional insulation without compromising on comfort or mobility. Crafted from high-quality materials, it provides superior warmth while remaining lightweight and flexible. The insulator jacket features a low-profile design, making it an ideal mid-layer under tactical gear or a standalone outer layer on chilly days. With zippered hand pockets and a full front zipper, it offers convenience and practicality. Whether you're on duty or out on an adventure, trust the 5.11 insulator jacket to keep you warm and ready for action. Elevate your tactical gear with 5.11 and experience the perfect fusion of functionality and comfort for your cold weather missions or outdoor pursuits. Number 1. 5.11 Camo Sierra Hunting Jacket. The ultimate choice for hunters who demand both stealth and functionality in their gear. Designed with hunters in mind, this jacket combines the latest camouflage patterns with rugged construction, making it an indispensable companion for the field. Crafted from durable and water-resistant material, it provides protection against the elements, keeping you comfortable and dry. The Camo Sierra Hunting Jacket features a range of pockets for storing essentials, including hidden document pockets and convenient hand warmer pockets. Its articulated sleeves and adjustable cuffs ensure a comfortable fit and unrestricted movement while stalking prey or navigating challenging terrains. Elevate your hunting experience with the 5.11 Camo Sierra Hunting Jacket